Welcome to Peterson's Farm of Nashville. Friends, family, and future generations, thanks for stopping in today. You're probably wondering what I'm going to do today, but let me show you. That's a clue. Today we're going to clean out the chicken coop. Yay! I'm sure nobody is like me and has not really done anything with the coop over the winter. The old Swede knows how to, let's just put it this way. He makes every one of us who has chickens look pretty crappy. He does a great job with his chicken coop, his chickens, and the health, well-being, and maintenance of his chickens. So I am very impressed and also envious at the same time. So anyway, old Swede, don't beat me up too bad on our chicken coop. Mask and gloves are key. There's probably a good 8 inches of stuff in here. We're going to get as much of it out of here as possible. Lay down new straw. Must not lose sight of these. Okay, well, the ladies seem happier. Got all their straw replaced, and they got food and water, so they're happy. Happy. So anyway, thanks for joining me here today. Got to go head off and watch Boots and Bounty live, grow it up. So hopefully they'll have a good show. Well, not hopefully, I know they'll have a good show. They always do. Friends, family, and future generations, thanks for stopping here at Peterson's Farm of Nashville. And we do this kind of thing so you can understand what we do today, and so you can enjoy now in the future.